My name's Chloe, I live in Sanderstead and we've had a hip-to-gable loft conversion. So my daughter's bedroom was tiny, she was in the box room, so we decided now was the time as she's getting bigger, she needed more space. So we've had this loft conversion, we're coming up here and she can move into our old room. We'd seen a lot of his scaffold with LMB around. We did our research, asked around. We did have 4 different quotes, 4 different people come in, and he wasn't the cheapest, he wasn't the dearest, just really liked Lee and felt most confident going with him. He sat and he drew it all out for us and explained it all in great detail, and yeah, we just felt really confident to go with him. Basically, they did everything. He put us in touch with the architect, he did everything with the building control, he got all the permissions and stuff. Yeah, so he literally did everything from start to finish. All the guys were really professional, really reliable, turned up on time, really tidy. Yep, there was no problems at all. Next door, they do night work. Even they said how quiet and great they all were. So yeah, the guys were amazing. They came up and they built the shell, and they didn't break through until 3 or 4 weeks in. And then yeah, obviously we did get dust, but nothing. They used to hoover every day before they left. Yeah, so didn't really interrupt our day-to-day living at all. Just having the extra space is my favourite part about it. I'm going to have a massive wardrobe and a dressing room table, and it would put value on the house, I'm sure. But as I say, we did it we're staying, so we did it for the extra space. It's to live here, so, but yeah. Advice, I would say definitely to have a tin hat when you're doing the scaffolding, because we did it in the winter when the weather was really bad. I'll admit we did it through 2 storms and it was very noisy, but it saved so much hassle and time in as much as we were protected from water and rain and stuff, so there was no leaks or anything like that. So that would be a definite advantage to have a tin hat on. I would absolutely recommend L&B to others. It was a painless process from start to finish. As I say, the guys were all amazing, worked on time. Yeah, we was actually two weeks ahead of schedule, I think. We came in on budget. So yeah, I would definitely recommend L&B.